Hey, it's James, and I'm out here on a photo shoot, real estate shoot, and been having some trouble with a piece of gear that I just recently bought. I just bought some new tripod heads from Giottos. I don't know how you say that, Giottos, but it's an Italian company. I have had their locking three-way head on my tripod literally for 8-9 years, I guess, maybe 10, and never really had a problem with it. But I wanted to put the same type of head on all my tripods. So, and they don't sell the little locking thing anymore. All they sell are these kind right here, and I'm sure they have a name. I don't know what they are, but you turn this knob and it locks it down into place like that. There's the bottom of the camera. The problem that I'm having with these, it's a smooth mechanism, which I like, but I keep having the issue where I'm hiking around or I'm moving around and my camera won't stay tight on the dadgum plate. And I tend to hike, I tend to go around on real estate shoots and at Big Bend and places like that, and do some hiking. I don't always take the time to take my my camera off of the tripod and put it into a bag or something like that, especially if I'm only going 100 yards down the road. A lot of times I'll just slap it up on my shoulder and start walking. Well, today, actually I've been using this on here for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks now. And I am consistently running into this issue where it is loose on there and I keep tightening it up and I cannot get it tight enough. I'll tighten it down as much as I can. I keep a coin in my pocket, which I hate to do. I think it's ridiculous that I have to do that. I've never had to do that before with my old one. Let me show you the bottom of this thing. So here is the bottom of my camera. It's got this little thing under there, and I can tighten it down with a coin, which is what I've been doing. My old one had a little handle like this, and I could tighten it down. Well, this one, I tighten it down as tight as I can get it, and it's fine for a little while, but it stays a little bit loose. And even with a coin, I'll tighten it down as much as I can get it, and it gets loose real quick. And it drives me nuts because your camera is sitting up on that thing, and if there's one piece that needs to be secure, it's that piece. I don't want to have the situation like I had today several times trying to shoot and hike around this property, trying to shoot this ranch, where my camera, I've taken a look at it and it's slid off to the side. It's rotated because it's gotten loose. This seems to stay tight. Everything else seems to stay tight. I prefer a three-way head, but something about this is not staying tight, and I don't know what it is, and it's bothering me. If there's anybody that is having this issue, that knows about anything I can do to fix this, please let me know, because I don't want to lose my camera in the woods. I don't want to drop it. I do a lot of hiking. I do a lot of outdoor photography, and my camera needs to be secure. I love this brand. They make great tripod heads. I love the mechanism of Giottos. Like I said, I had the other one for 9 or 10 years and never really had an issue with it. I'd like to be able to stay with that brand, but this is the only three-way head that I could find at B&H. And they're about the only ones that I could find that sell this brand anymore. Other than, actually, you can't even buy it on Giottos' website. So I tried to order directly from them. So if anybody out there has a solution, can give me any guidance or give me any help, I would really appreciate it, because it's driving me nuts. I don't want to have to switch brands, because I just bought multiple of this tripod head. I don't want to have to go spend more money, another several $100s, to replace all my tripod heads. Because I prefer a three-way head. I don't like a ball head. I don't like a grip head. I like this three-way tilt. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for listening to me rant a little bit. Bye. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Just tighten that thing. So here I am a couple days later, and I'm putting this video together, and I'm back in the studio, and I thought I'd go ahead and take this opportunity to show you my old tripod head that I just took off my other camera to replace with this one. So let's have a look. So this is my old Giottos head. It's a three-way head. Great head. It still works. I just wanted to have the same plate mechanism on all my tripods so that I can take my camera off of one to another. And so this is the old one, and see, it's got this little button on there that maybe that's what's causing it to not move. It's putting a little extra pressure on the bottom of the camera, maybe, I don't know. But see, it's got a very similar mechanism. Now this thing on the old tripod plate, this is a little bit bigger. This is easier to grab, it's easier to use, it's easier to tighten down, but I never had any trouble with this getting loose. Just pop that on there, that locks into place, and it's solid. It was not uncommon for me to just walk around with this thing, and I knew that was secure, and I would just pop my camera and tripod onto my shoulder and walk around, take pictures. I don't feel comfortable doing that with this new one. So like I said before, if you happen to have any suggestions for me, or know a little bit about a tripod head that or a tripod plate that might work a little bit better, please let me know in the comments. Please feel free to reach out to me, because it's driving me crazy. I appreciate it. Thanks. This is James, and go out and create something.